If, for example, you find your font in Yahoo Mail too small or too large, this is what you're gonna do in order for you to change the font size of your emails. Okay, so let's get started. First thing, you're gonna head over to mail.yahoo.com, and then once you're in this page, you're gonna make sure that you're logged in or you have signed up to an account. Now, once you're in, you will be taken to your inbox or your dashboard, and then once you're in here, you're just gonna head over to the more button right here at the left side panel. You're just going to make sure that you scroll all the way down until you find this three dot icon or the more menu. You're just going to click on that, and then from there a menu will appear. You're going to click on settings, and then once you're in your settings page, you can see this left hand or like the left pane. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on writing email right here. Now, once you're on the writing email page, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find this default rich text font section. So this section actually changes the way you write your email, so you can change it to another size. So for example, we find it a little bit too small, we can do, or we can change it into a large. But if we find it a little bit too large, we can also select a much smaller fonts. So you can do medium plus, medium, small, as well as a tiny one. So you can just click on tiny right there, and this font will be changed when you are writing your email. So if you don't find it, like for example, you don't see these texts changing, that's because this one also or only changes the ones when you're writing email. So let's put that into a test. Let's say we want to write an email. I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So you're just going to click on new message right here. And so you can see here, no other text has been changed. But once you click on the body of the text, you will see that it has become very, very tiny. Now I'm going to show you to increase that size. We're going to head back to the writing email section. We're going to click on font size once again, and I'm going to click on huge. Now I'm going to click on new message once again. As you can see here, it has become very, very huge. And that's it. That is how easy it is to increase or decrease or just to change the font size of your Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you need more tutorials, please don't forget to comment down below, or you can check out some other of our videos in our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.